Let me shock you. You don't need hundreds of thousands of views before you can make good money here on YouTube. See, all you just need is to have a niche that has a high CPM. So you're going to be making a lot of money, whether it's through your long form videos, your shorts, or even your live streams. Just go for a niche with a high CPM. You don't need to start chasing after viral videos and views. No, just chase after a niche that has a high CPM, and I'm going to be sharing with you some niches with high CPMs. But first of all, let me go ahead and share with you my earnings on some of my videos on one of my channels. It is going to shock you. It will shock you. I am not even kidding. Okay, especially one of them that actually had less than 1,000 views. That particular video gave me more money than some channels with 50,000 views, and that's because this one has high CPM. So let's just go ahead and look through. So I'm going to go over to my content. I'm just going to show you for the first 5 videos or so, just these ones that you can see right here. So you can see this particular video here has 4.7 thousand views. This one 692 views. This one surprised me. Then this particular one 3.3, 2.7, 36k, 2.7, 3.3. You can notice that some of them have the same numbers, but you're going to be shocked at the earnings that each of them actually had. So let's start with this very first one right here. So this particular one, I actually had 4.8 views. Let's just go straight to the revenue section because we don't want to waste any time here. So you can see how much. So you can see, let's first look at the CPM, $7, almost $8, and the RPM almost $5. So because of that, for a video of less than 5,000 views, I actually made $21.72. So I'm actually going to be noting them somewhere. 21.72 plus. Okay, so let's just go ahead to continue. Okay, the next video, this one had 692 views. I'm just going to go straight to the revenue section. Sorry, I'll just go straight to the revenue section. So this one is 600 and something, almost $4, almost 4. Okay, so it had what, 3.79, right? $3.79. So let's say the CPM, almost $9 for the CPM, and then the RPM over $5. So let's see, $3.79, because we're also going to calculate this in naira because I currently stay in Nigeria. So let's go back to the next. This one had what, 3.3. Now take note of this, it had 3.3, but we are going to see exactly what it's made us compared to the other one with 3.3, and that's why I said CPM matters. So this one had $16. Let's see, CPM is $7, RPM is what, almost $5. Okay, so this one was 16.15. Guys, 16.15. Okay, so let's just go straight to the next one. There is no need to delay in this video, okay, because I need to share with you some very important things. This one, 2,700 views. Okay, 2,700 views. Let's go to the revenue. It earned me what, $5. You see, when I tell you that CPM matters, it's not viral views that matters. You can see $5. Now let's look at the CPM here. What, $4? Can you see the difference between this and the other ones that I showed you? Don't worry, we're still going to see the other one with the same number of views. And then RPM, what, less than $2. And so I got what, $5.40. I'm going to explain things to you, don't worry. So $5.40 to one place. Okay, it's been a while I did something like this. So let's look at this one that actually gave me 36,000 views. Guys, get ready to scream. Drum roll. Okay, so let's go over to the revenue section. Can you see that? Can you see what it actually made me? 153,000. Amen. I received that. Amen. $153.82. Now let's go to the CPM. The CPM is what, $6. Imagine I got this CPM of $9 like the other ones, but then look at the RPM, $4.30, which is actually still very good. Okay, for a video that's less than 40k over. Hey, and the thing is, this views will keep on increasing, and so the money will keep on increasing. Remind me later to show you how much this is. You see, it's 153 plus 153. Let me just say 0.25. Let me just say that. Can you see? Look at the reading. We're already at 200 and we have not even finished the one on that line. Oh, okay. So we have just two more. Okay. So you can see this one is 2.7, 3.3 compared to the other one. So remember the other one, the 2.7 gave me what? $5.40. So let's see what this one would give me. This one I actually used an A/B testing for this. So let's see the revenue. $8. Can you see compared to that other one that gave me $5? So let's see the CPM. The CPM for this one is what? $4.59, and then this one what? Almost $3. So you can see that it is actually your CPM that matters. So let's go to the last one before I share with you CPMs that you can go into. I mean niches that you can go into. So let's just see. So this one also has 3.3 thousand views, and the other 3.3 thousand views give me what? $16. So let's see the revenue for this one. $6. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see the mathematics? Can you see the strategy? Now let us see the CPM is what? $3, and then the RPM less than $2. So guys, do not chase after views, chase after other things. Okay, plus 8 plus 6 equals to what? $214 from just I think 5 or 6 videos. Now times, I think when I checked yesterday, I went to black market, I went to ask for the exchange rate and they said 1,350. I mean, I checked 2 days ago. So let's just do 1,350. Can you see? 289,380 naira. And I'm just sitting in my room and filming these videos. And some of these videos, they're just screen recordings. Anyways, let's talk about the niches. Now, this my own niche is a niche that's focused on tutorials. You know that as long as you're teaching people how to do something, it is valuable, it is valued, it is a content that is much valued. Do you understand? So that is that. And this is just 5 videos. Imagine if I now calculate for the rest of the videos. Okay. So now let me drop this one first. What are niches you can focus on? Number one, you can focus on this my type of niche, even if you don't want to show your face. You can focus on my own niche. Okay. So what you want to do if you don't want to show your face is, like for example, in this particular niche, I don't show my face throughout, but I make sure I show my face at the beginning and also at the end. So you can also employ that strategy. Okay. So what you can just do is to create an avatar of yourself and use the avatar, but ensure it is your voice and you're actually showing people how to do the thing. You are screen recording. Do you understand? So that's one niche, the AI tutorial niche or AI productivity niche. Now another niche is, you see, the storytelling niche. Hey guys, this storytelling niche, you people that are creators in the storytelling niche and you already know what you get every month, let me know in the comment section, because people need to understand, like, if you're in the AI storytelling niche, guys, you will make money. I have students that are in the AI storytelling niche and I keep asking myself, Glory, are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Like, they are making a lot of money. Do you understand? Then the next niche is, you see this bedtime prayer niche. I don't know, for some reason I don't want to go into that niche, but that niche actually, I've seen creators on YouTube that have shared their revenue from those niches, especially if you are creating long videos. And the thing is, you see niches that would allow for old people, that are comfortable for old people to watch. If you are getting it, if you check your YouTube studio, you're going to see where you have the different age range. If you find yourself a niche that can get people above 60, 65, like the old people, because they are going to stay and watch to understand what from beginning to the end. So you're going to be making a lot of money. Now, do not forget that your country also matters. I'm sure if I had gone in depth into the analytics, you would have seen the different things that actually contributed to the different amounts that I got on those different videos. Country is also part of it because your audience matters. If you have many audience from high paying countries, you're also going to get a lot of views. And there are ways to actually drive in audience from high paying countries, even if you're in Nigeria. Those ones I share with just my students, but there are actually ways to do it. You don't necessarily need to change your location to the US when you know you're in Nigeria. Be transparent with YouTube, because at the end of the day, you will still verify your identity. And even if you're in Nigeria and you decide to go and put US as your audience, as your location, you will know, it does not mean you will automatically get US audience. It does not work that way. You cannot manipulate the algorithm like that. Then another niche is, you see all these niches that get people to sleep, like for example all these calm peaceful videos where maybe rain is falling, ASMR, basically ASMR niches, they actually do so well. Okay, as long as you are getting good audience, older audience, or maybe it's a health niche that you teach people how to, maybe good foods to eat and all of that, and especially you are focused on old people, you're going to be making a lot of money because they take their time to actually watch, especially if you are filming for high paying countries. Do you understand? Let me know what you gained from this particular video. Do you think this income is actually encouraging? Have you been motivated? Are you encouraged? Are you encouraged? Can you say that you don't even need to show your face before you make money here on YouTube? Can you also tell me what is your highest pay so far, or maybe your lowest pay so far? Let me just know. Let's converse. Let's have a gist time in the comment section, and I'll see you either in class, my live stream video, or my next video on this channel. I'll see you. Bye bye.